CSRSS elevation of privilege. What can I say? Prioritization in Vulristics works correctly. At the top of the July Patch Tuesday list is one critical and actively exploited elevation of privilege in Windows CSRSS CVE-2022-22047. This vulnerability has been widely reported in the media. Client Server Runtime Subsystem, or csrss.exe, is a component of the Windows NT family of operating systems that provides the user mode side of the Win32 subsystem and is included in Windows NT 3.1 and later. Because most of the Windows 32 subsystem operations have been moved to kernel mode drivers in Windows NT 4 and later, CSRSS is mainly responsible for Win32 console handling and GUI shutdown. CSRSS runs as a user mode system service. When a user mode process calls a function involving console windows, process thread creation, or side-by-side support, instead of issuing a system call, the Win32 libraries kernel32.dll, user32.dll, gdi32.dll send an inter-process call to the CSRSS process, which does most of the actual work without compromising the kernel. So, this elevation of privilege vulnerability in CSRSS allows an attacker to execute code as system, provided they can execute other code on the target. Bugs of this type are typically paired with a code execution bug, usually a specially crafted Office or Adobe document to take over a system. These attacks often rely on macros, which is why so many were disheartened to hear Microsoft's delay in blocking all Office macros by default. Microsoft says this vulnerability has been exploited in the wild, though no further details have been shared. There is no public exploit yet. Two similar vulnerabilities in CSRSS, CVE-2022-22049 and CVE-2022-22026, were also fixed, likely as a result of Microsoft's investigation into the in-the-wild exploitation of CVE-2022-22047.